Expectation versus reality. Okay, so we're heading to Niagara Falls at the moment, and right now we're on our way. And so we left our house in Maryland around like 5 in the morning, and right now it's 7, and there's still like 4 hours to go. I think we'll be there around like noon, hopefully. Today we're gonna explore the area around Niagara Falls and then see some fireworks. So we just reached our destination, which is Niagara Falls. So we are at our hotel right now, all dressed up, ready to go. We took a quick nap for like few hours sleep. Now we're all ready to go, and we're gonna grab some buffalo wings from Buffalo and head out to our destination, which is Niagara Falls. So we still have time for fireworks, so we decided to go out and maybe eat a slice of pizza or something. We'll be back here around 10 for fireworks. Okay, so day 2 of the trip. Ooh, my outfit for today.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now we're heading to the Eternal Flame waterfall. I think it's a short hike. It takes roughly about 20 minutes to get to the fall. When we got there, there was no waterfall, so I was pretty bummed, but nonetheless, it's worth visiting because of the flame, which is lit by natural gas. I forgot to mention this place completely in the video, but this is Letchworth State Park, which is also known as the Grand Canyon of the East. And apparently this park is #1 park in all America, which I think is quite cool. There are 3 major waterfalls in this park, so you can easily spend an entire day here. And if you decide to visit this place, make sure you go from southern entrance, as most of the scenic spots are in the southern part of the park. Day 3 of our upstate New York trip, and right now we're headed to Grimes Glen Park, and we're gonna see like a couple of waterfalls in that park. And after spending like few hours, we're gonna head over to Watkins Glen Park. But I want to show you something. There's no view because of the wildfire from Canada. The air quality is really low at the moment, so you cannot see anything. There is no visibility at all. It's like very foggy. The air quality is really low, and it doesn't look good. It's just really bad. That's what we're dealing with at the moment. Watkins Glen Park is such a beautiful park. You have to give this park at least like a couple of hours to explore. There's so many waterfalls in this park that you'll be in awe at every step of the way. I would suggest all the people in the East Coast especially to at least visit this place once and take your time exploring. There's so much to see in and outside the park. You'll love it. we just got back from the Watkins Glen. It was so beautiful. Now we're heading to Taganic Falls, which is like 20 minutes ride from Watkins Glen. So we're heading up there.
Taganic Falls is actually really easy to navigate. For overlook from the top, you just need to go to the visitor center of the Taganic Falls. If you want to see the waterfall from the ground, you need to hike about like 15 minutes from the Gorge Trail. To find that trail, you need to set your map direction to in at Taganic Falls, which will lead you to the trail.
Okay, so day 4 of our upstate New York trip. We're heading to Green Lake State Park and some other park nearby. I want to talk about yesterday. So right now we're in Glen Watkins, New York. We drove around and hiked, and then we were so tired and so hungry by the end of the day. So we decided to go to this Thai restaurant because it had good reviews on Google. And we thought of giving it a try, and it was the best Thai food we ever had, ever. So we highly recommend, if you guys come here in Glen Watkins, do not miss the Thai restaurant because it's so good. It just made our day like 10 times better just eating that food. So yeah, that would be my recommendation when you come in here. It is called Thai Elephant Restaurant. We will be sad when we go back to Maryland, and we're gonna miss this Thai food.
Green Lake State Park is definitely a summer spot. It has a beautiful green lake and the beach. There's also a small designated place where you can swim. It's the perfect spot to just soak in the sun. There's also a few hiking trails if you like some adventure. All in all, it's a really good spot.
And then only 20 minutes away from Green Lake is this beautiful Chittenango Falls. I think it's one of the best falls I've ever seen. It is very secluded and it's so pristine. However, there's nothing else to see other than the fall in this park, so you won't have to spend too much of your time here. But don't miss out on this fall. Both Ithaca and Robert H. Trayman Park are very close to each other and also very close to Watkins Glen. You can easily manage to see these two falls if you're visiting Watkins Glen. They're just 10 minutes drive apart from each other and about 20 minutes drive from Watkins Glen. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to include these amazing places if you're planning a trip to upstate New York. I'm still learning to make good content on YouTube. I will definitely upload more travel content because I'm going on different places throughout the summer. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!